Are you willing to save 10 years of your 13th month pay to get a lifetime income? Or to have discipline in the next 10 years for your 13th month pay to get a better retirement, a peace of mind, or creating your plan B? So yan yung mga pag-uusapan natin dito ngayon. So tamang-tama, it's 13th month pay season. So how do you use it differently this time? Maybe you've spent it for the past so many years, but maybe this time you want to delay gratification, you want to be more responsible about it. So I will share with you a few ideas that you can use to implement and save your 30th month pay for a better financial future. So let's get started. So my first strategy is you save for 10 years and get income for life. Paano yan? So ang suggestion ko, we will use our product, A+ Signature, to create income for life. So I'll show you something. So I'll show you a sample client profile, a male age 35. So let's consider male age 35. No, so papakita ko sa inyo that meron kaming product sa A+ Signature. Magbibigay siya ng payout every 2 years for the rest of your life starting at the end of year 6. So depende sa face amount. 10% siya ng face amount every 2 years. So yung pinakamura, pag-usapan natin, it's 250,000 face amount. So it gives 10% of that, 25,000. And then may life insurance ka na 200% ng face amount, so 500,000. Ang budget, premium budget is 57,960. So if you're earning around this amount, pwede kang mag-save muna for the next 10 years and then you get income for life. So if you wanna make it a little better, you can add different riders. No? So we can add 250,000 total and permanent disability, 250,000 personal accident insurance, and then 250,000 critical illness, 10 critical illnesses covered ka up to age 75. All in all, lahat yan, 66,235 pesos lang, no? So per year, right? So kung ganyan ang income mo, maybe your 13th month pay, lagay mo rito. If your company is giving you 14 months, 15 month bonus, so one of those months, ilagay mo siya rito. Ang mangyayari, if you can see at this table, alright, maghuhulog ka ng 66,235 for the next 10 years. Pero at the end of year 6, hindi pa tapos magbayad, nakakatanggap ka na ng 25,000. And then every 2 years yan, makikita mo dito sa table, up until age 100 or for the rest of your life. Alright? And then, meron din tayong tinatawag na dividends, accumulated dividends, although not guaranteed, pwede siya mag-accumulate at kita siya ng interest hanggat hindi mo wini-withdraw. Alright? So, gumawa ako ng sample that if in case you're age 35 and then you live up until age 75, so magkano aabutin? So, the A+ Signature for 10 years na 250,000 face amount, ito yung pinakamura. Ang total premiums paid mo for 10 years is 66,235 times 10. So, 662,350. Alright? Yung guaranteed cash payout na marireceive mo from age 41, kasi 6th year, at the end of the 6th year, every 2 years for the rest of your life, kung nabuhay hanggang age 75, from age 41 to 75, nagkaroon ng 18 payout. So, that's 25,000 times 18. That's 450,000. Alright, and then, dun sa table na nakita nyo kanina, meron dong non-guaranteed dividends. At 3.9% per annum na accumulation rate, at withdraw mo. Let's say, withdrawin natin at age 65 para mapakinabangan mo naman. So, let's say, 220,689. Yun yung potential dividends. If you add both, that's 670,689. So, nabawi na, mas malaki na siya ng konti dun sa nahulog mo. Meron ka pa tong insurance. Habang buhay ka, you continue to accept and receive the payouts. Upon death of the insured, your beneficiaries will get 500,000. So technically, in total, the benefits becomes 1.2 million sa 600,000 na nahulog mo, almost double of what you paid for. Alright, so that's the first strategy. What if naman gusto mo hindi hanggang for the rest of your life? Gusto mo makuha big for retirement kasi retirement is the biggest expense. So what if we have 10 years of discipline of your 13th month pay for a better retirement. So we will use Ascend, AIA Ascend, to create a retirement fund. We will create that. Alright, so si Ascend, yung pinaka mababa niyang premium is 500,000 face amount. Ang features niyan, times 2 of that, 1 million yung life insurance mo. And then nilagyan natin ang total and permanent disability na 500,000. And then personal accident insurance in case of accidental death na 500,000. So all in all, 10 years to pay, 132,145 right, per year for a 35-year-old male. So kung titignan natin tong table, maghuhulog ka for the next 10 years ng 132,000. So let's say ito yung sweldo mo, so 13-month pay. Pero hindi ka pa tapos magbayad. In the 6th year, makakatanggap ka na every year hanggang age 65 ng 25,000, which is 5% ng face amount. The face amount is 500K, so 5% of that is 25,000. Every year makakatanggap ka niyan for the rest of your life hanggang age 65. Bukod doon, may lump sum amount which is double of your face amount. Yun din yung life insurance mo. Right? Double of that na magiging 1 million. No? 500K times 2, 1 million. At age 65, makukuha mo yun. Alright? Yung guaranteed cash value, yung column A na nakikita nyo dyan. And then the column D, the accumulated dividends, pwede mo ring ma-withdraw yan kung whatever the dividends na ma-accumulate. So let's take a look at this table para mas madaling makita. For a 10 years, alright, na 500,000 yung face amount, for a male age 35, and then magre-retire ka ng age 65, so you have 30 years horizon, maghuhulog ka ng 132,145 for 10 years, that's 1,321,450, alright? And then may guaranteed cash payout kang marireceive from age 41 to age 65 annually. 25,000 for the next 25 years, so that's 625,000. And then, upon retirement at age 65, merong lump sum na makukuha. Right? 1 million pesos yun. 200% ng face amount. So, 500,000 times 2, 1 million yun. If you add both, yung green dyan, 625, the total cash payout, and then the 1 million, it gives you the total guaranteed benefits that you will receive at age 65 in total, 1,625,000. Yung 625,000, unti-unti mo siyang na-receive, and then yung 1 million lump sum. So, pag tinotal mo yan, 1.6, 1.3 lang yung naging cost sa'yo. So, dun pa lang tubo ka na. Not to mention, we have the non-guaranteed dividends na at age 65, the projection is about 602,000. Again, not guaranteed ito, the rates and the amount of dividends. Pero just for the sake of this presentation, that's another 602,000. If you add it to the 1.6 million, that's 2.2 million versus the 1.3 million na total premiums paid. So almost double again yung nangyari sa pera mo. Alright? If you want to be more responsible naman at insurance mo na kailangan isipin, pwede rin. Alright? What if you just save and you have 10 years of being responsible for your peace of mind? So for the next 10 years, you want to be responsible. Beyond 10 years, tapos ka na magbayad, so pwede mo nang gastusin ulit yung 13th month pay mo. So we will use Max Protect, one of our products, si Max Protect, for your peace of mind. Anong itsura niyan? Kukuha tayo ng 10 years to pay lang na life insurance coverage. Napakadami niyang coverages and riders. 500,000 face amount gives you 1 million life insurance. And then it will give you 500,000 total and permanent disability, 500,000 personal accident insurance, 500,000 critical illnesses, covered, 10 yan, up to age 75. And then may 2,000 per night ka pa hospital income benefit. Every time na mako-confine, makaka-claim ka ng 2,000 per night. Let's say, 5 days sa hospital because of dengue. Normal na confinement lang, no? Kahit hindi malalang sakit. So 5 days times 2,000, 10,000 yun. After another 3 months, na-aksidente naman, another 10 days sa hospital. So 2,000 times 10 yun. Pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, ganun din. Aside from the critical illness claim, makaka-claim ka pa ng every night of hospitalization up to 365 days a year. So covered ka every day hanggang age 65. Alright? And then may enhanced waiver premium pa in case of magkaroon ng critical illness or total and permanent disability, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran yung premium, mawi-waive na siya. Si AIA na yung naguhulog nun for you. All in all these things that I discussed, it's only 68,316.91. So para siyang 1 month of your salary, di ba? Your 13th month, ilagay mo rito for the next 10 years lang. Yun lang yung kailangan mong i-sacrifice in a way. And then, it gives you peace of mind, lalo na if you have dependents already. Alright? So, makikita nyo rito, meron din yung table, 10 years kang maghuhulog. Pero ang maganda dito, nag-grow din yung guaranteed cash value niya. Hindi ito VUL. No? Ito yung Max Protect, yung mga dinidiscuss ko na to, hindi ito VUL. So, guaranteed itong mga to na makukuha mo. Alright? Hindi siya invested. No? So, unti-unti, maliit lang, lumalaki siya. Until age 100, magiging 1 million siya. At an age 65 or 75, you can withdraw. I'll show you at summarized table later. And then, meron din siyang accumulated dividends na potentially mag-earn din at pwede mo siyang ma-withdraw. So, nilagay ko siya sa table. Ang Max Protect 10 years, 500,000 face amount, male age 35, and then withdrawin mo yung pera at age 75 in case you're still alive during that time. Para ma-enjoy mo rin yung 13th month pay mo na naging responsible ka for the next 10 years. So yun yung game plan. Alright? So total premiums paid, 68,317 times 10, it's 683,170. Pero tignan mo yung total insurance coverages for your peace of mind. Life insurance of 1 million, TPD or the total and permanent disability, 500,000, accident insurance, 500,000, critical illness coverage, 500,000. And then the hospital income benefit, 365 days times 2,000, it's about 730,000. The total coverages is 3.230 million sa binulog mo na 68,000 a year or 680,000, 83,000 for 10 years. Pagdating ng age 75, no, based on the table that I showed earlier, makakakita ka, pwede kang maka-withdraw no, ng guaranteed cash value na 595,000. Guaranteed ito. Guaranteed ito, hindi ito VUL na non-guaranteed. So napansin mo, almost the same na siya nung nahulog mo. So halos bawi ka na. No? So parang nag-return of premium ka na rin. No? Nakalibre ka. Of course, when you withdraw that, hindi ka na insured. Alright? And not to mention, may non-guaranteed dividends pa. Based on projection, it will be around 409,000 at age 75. So pag inad mo yung 595K plus 409K, 1,004,632 ka. At age 75, the guaranteed cash value plus the non-guaranteed dividend. So naging responsible ka lang for 10 years, may peace of mind ka, may certain retirement income ka pa na 1 million. Alright? And lastly, no, pwede rin tong, no, what if you do delayed gratification to create a plan B? No, maybe meron ka ng different investments, meron kang real estate, meron kang stock market, meron kang other insurance, no? Nagsisave ka sa bangko, right? Meron kang business na ini-start. That's your plan A. Alright? What I'm telling you is just create a plan B with AIA. Alright? So, pwede natin gamitin dito yung family provider. This is a VUL plan. This is the only VUL that I will share with you now to create your plan B. Right? So, bakit plan B? Kasi again, meron kang plan A, pero it might also fail. No, nagsisave ka, pwedeng magalaw mo yon, nag-start ka ng business, pwedeng malugi. So, at least dito, you're just putting in money, insured ka, and then pag you can withdraw in the future. Alright? Kahit mag-break even lang, yun yung gusto kong ipakita. Parang savings lang natin siya i-treat. Alright? So, not guaranteed ito dahil nga VUL, nagpa-fluctuate siya. So, huwag na tayo mag-overproject. No? So, parang maliit lang na return. So, the family provider, 10 years, alright, pwede mong ibayad, meron ka 600,000 na life insurance, 600,000 accident and health insurance in case of accidental death or dismemberment, and then may medical reimbursement na 50,000 in case of accident. Makaka-reimburse ka, let's say, nabundol, nakagat ng aso, sports injury, etc., napilayan. Alright? And then, the waiver premium for critical illness then. In case, for the next 10 years, magkaroon ng critical illness, mawawave na yung premium, si AIA na yung maghuhulog para sa'yo. All in all, yung mga yan, ito yung pinakamababang budget, 34,961.32. Kung hindi pa kaya yung mga 60 plus thousand, 100,000 that I discussed earlier. Alright? So, 34,961.32. So, 10 years ka maghuhulog. Tingnan natin itong table. 10 years ka maghuhulog. Alright? Insured ka, 600,000. And then, lumalaki, nag-accumulate yung account value. No, unti-unti pwede siyang lumaki. And at age 50, no, 15 years from now, no, yun yung titignan natin. Meron kang pwedeng makuha dito. No, meron dyan sa table na yan. No, titignan natin yung 4% and then yung 3.29% na average performance for the past 3 years kasi nga nag-pandemic ngayon. Alright, so tingnan lang natin yung summary para madali. Family provider 10 years, 600,000 life insurance, and then male age 35, and then mag-withdraw at age 50. So short term lang, 15 years after mag-withdraw ka. No, kunyari yun ang gusto mong gawin. So total premiums paid, 34,961 times 10, 349,613.20. Alright? Yung total insurance coverages, life insurance sa 600K, accident insurance sa 600K, and then medical reimbursement na 50K, 1.250 million yun. Malaki-laki yun. No? Sa yung total na yun. The projected account value at age 50 for a 4% average annual return is 365,061. So, nakaipon ka na. Parang bumawi na yung nahulog mo na 349, naging 365. So, break even. Alright? Kung sakali man na yung mahina talaga, no, the past 3 years, ganito, 3.29% lang. Alright? So, 339,032. So, almost break even. Eh, what if nag-perform better than 4%? So, pwedeng mas malaki pa. Or, if you don't want to get it at age 50, at age 55, or 60, 65, or longer, pwede rin, mas malaki yung chance na kumita no, itong pera mo sa VUL kasi nga VUL siya. So somehow it's invested, so it could fluctuate, it could go up and down, pero over the long term usually it goes up. Alright? Meron lang konting disclaimer dito, nilagyan ko na asterisk na only use this option if you have another life and health insurance coverage that covers you as long as you need it. So maybe as long as up to age 65, 75, or age 100, or until you need it. Let's say may dependents ka pa, kailangan mo. So, ang tanong ko ngayon, which among the things that I presented do you like the most for your 13th-month pay? Alin yun? Let me know in the comment section. Right? Share it with people. Diba? If nagustuhan mo tong video na to, like, and you also subscribe if you haven't done so. Alright? And then if you're interested to ask for a quotation, let me know. Send me a message at my Facebook page. I will just need your details. Your full name, your birth date, your mobile number, your occupation, your email address. And siguro your budget na rin. No? Ito yung 13th month pay ko, DJ. Ano yung magandang plan for this? And then let's create. Alright? Let's set a meeting and then let's create a plan. I will show it to you. And I will also send you a quotation. So what you need to do is just go to my Facebook page, right? Search DJ De Maliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ De Maliwat official. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you again soon.